Hello everybody and welcome to Key, Cam, and the fam. Guys, I hope you guys are enjoying these uploads, but I need you to do me a favor. And what I need you to do, I need you to thumbs this video up and I need you to subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe. Please share these videos out, guys. We are trying to grow this channel. We're bringing awesome content. I've been getting the comments, so you guys are really enjoying the uploads. So do that favor for me. Yes, I've been dropping like sometimes 2 or 3 videos. So anyway, I am making
What you making?
chicken parmesan.
Don't say that.
So I have my Parmesan cheese, I have my parsley flakes, I have my marinara pasta sauce, I have black pepper, onion, and slap your mama seasoning. I have some chicken breast. I have my Andy's chicken breading. This is oh my goodness, this is some good breading. I have some milk, I have 2 eggs, and I have my flour. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, we're going to take our chicken breast out and we're going to examine them.
Examine it?
Yes, because if we don't have to cut this chicken breast, then we're not going to cut it.
No.
So some of them are already pretty thin. They're not really big. And make sure we get all the water out. So they're not really bad, but they do have a little fat on them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut some of this fat off of here. And you can see the little fat right there and right there. It's not really bad. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut this fat off of here because we don't want this. Yeah, we're not baking this. Okay, so we're just gonna cut this fat off, guys. Try to remove as much fat as possible, but if some of it slip through, it's okay. This knife is really dull. Okay, so we're gonna throw that away. This is not a bad chicken breast, so I'm not going to slice that in half. Get this little fat up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go in and I'm going to take all the fat off and I will bring you guys back. Okay guys, so I took the fat off of here, and while I was cutting the fat off, I just decided to slice some of them. So this was 1, now it's 2. So I actually was able to slice these and I just left this whole. So what we're going to do, we're going to season this. We're only using a little Slap Your Mama seasoning, black pepper, and onion powder. Also, guys, we have 2 eggs. So what we're going to do, we're gonna season the meat first, and then we're gonna go to our Andy breading and put the milk in the eggs, and we just go. I'm gonna take you step by step. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go in with our Slap Your Mama seasoning. Now we're gonna go in with our onion powder. This onion powder acting up again. Then we're gonna go in with our black pepper. And we're gonna season both sides. So you guys understand what I'm doing. And we're gonna open this up. So we're going to season all of this meat right here. And I know you probably don't want to sit up here and watch me season everything. So I'll bring you guys back once I finish seasoning all the meat. Okay guys, so I have my meat already seasoned. And now I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready to put in my Andy's breading. And if you see this at your store, it might have it at Walmart. It's really good, and it comes in mild and hot. Okay, so we have that set up. So now we're going to take our egg. We have 2 eggs here, guys. We're going to pour a little milk in here too. So we have our flour. So this is how it's gonna go. It's gonna go flour, egg, breading. Okay?
Okay.
How's it gonna go?
Flour, egg, bread.
Yes. Okay guys, so we have our little station set up. I'm gonna wash my hands. I don't know what I knocked down. But. Okay, so that's another thing guys, when you're messing with any type of meat, be it fish, chickens, you know, anything, just keep your hands clean, please. So we're going in with our flour. And at this point, if you haven't already turned your stove on, please turn your stove on. Don't, and this is, let me say this also. We're only going to cook this on 3 minutes on each side. By my meat being that thin, I probably won't even let it stay in there 3 minutes. It might be 2 minutes on each side. And then we're gonna put it in the oven, okay? So we're gonna go in with our flour. And this is one of those meals, if your boyfriend, husband, love, you know, Olive Garden and places like that, learn how to cook these meals. It is, Cam said, yeah.
Italian food is too nice.
It's very important that you learn how to cook your own food. So we're gonna go in with our egg wash. And we're going to get as much egg off of here as possible. Okay, gonna let that drip because we don't want to have to put more breading on here. So we're gonna go in with our breading. Y'all got it? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go in. We have our chicken and the flour first. We're gonna go in
The egg wash.
with the egg wash.
And then the breading.
And then the breading, and then it goes in the pan. So because our grease is already getting hot, I'm gonna take the piece that's already been breaded. I'm gonna put that in. So now we're going in with our breading. We're gonna allow that grease to get just if it needs to be just a little more. Temperature need to go up a little more. So we're gonna put this now in our egg wash. Okay, you all can see it's ready. It's that grease ready now. Now we're gonna go in now with the other one, with the other piece. So we're gonna do 3 pieces at a time because we have actually 7 pieces of meat. So I'm gonna put one more in here and I'll bring you guys back once I get ready to flip it. Okay guys, so we're gonna go in and we're gonna flip this meat.
Good.
And this has to go in the oven. So I'll bring you guys back once I'm finished cooking all of the meat. Okay guys, so we're back. My battery actually, my battery went dead. But guys, we've taken the chicken out of the grease. So now what we're getting ready, and we didn't drain none of the, there go the bottom of the pan. It was still, you know, it still had grease in there. But we don't want it to stick. So what we're gonna do, we're going to take our marinara sauce. And you don't have to put a whole lot on here. But put enough. Come on now. Put enough. I had one big piece. I knew it wasn't gonna fit in here, so I didn't even bother to even put it in here. Now, a lot of people don't like a lot of marinara sauce. It's our house is split because we love the way this sauce tastes.
Yeah.
So, and this is such a simple meal. We have our oven set at 350 degrees. And we're gonna allow this to cook for about 15-20 minutes. And I'm gonna put just a little more on that piece of chicken right here. And like I said, I have one big piece left. I don't know, I might just continue to fry that and just make that a chicken sandwich. So we're gonna go in with our Parmesan cheese. Only you know how much cheese you want. I can't tell you how much cheese to put on here. And a lot of people use mozzarella. We use Parmesan cheese. It's chicken Parmesan. So, and I'm gonna put this in my oven at 350 degrees, and I'm gonna cover it because I don't want the chicken to overcook. If you just have it in a direct, you know, just have it in the oven without covering up, it's gonna cook really, really fast. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go in.
What's your favorite?
With our parsley flakes, because we want it to look good, right? It's gonna taste good, but we want it to look good too. So I will bring you guys back in 15-20 minutes. Okay guys, so the oven, okay.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah. And that's our chicken Parmesan. Can y'all see that? I don't want to lift it up, but can you see that? I'm probably going to have to plate this, so I'll bring you guys back. Well, guys, as you can see, my chicken Parmesan is ready. So what I'm getting ready to do, I'm getting ready to make me some fettuccine noodles. I already have them boiling, and I have this roasted garlic Parmesan cheese. Guys, and if you haven't seen this in the store, this is really good if you don't feel like making your own sauce. So let's get back to the chicken Parmesan. So guys, don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment down below, hit the notification bell so you would know every time Mama C is in the kitchen. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, share the channel out, and don't forget to check out our other channels. That's KEE'S Way. It's a love thing. Kaminator Gamez, Cam Reacts, and KKTF Reacts. So guys, have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Before you close out, how much did this meal cost?
This meal, the chicken was $7.
$7?
And the Parmesan cheese was $4.
$4?
Yeah, so
about $11.
Very inexpensive meal.
Yeah, if you go to Olive Garden, it's what, about 20?
Oh yeah, you're gonna spend some money if you go to Olive Garden. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.